3 years ago, I was working on the shop floor at L&T Heavy Engineering in Surat. That was my life. Today, I build AI products for clients. I consult businesses on how to use AI to solve real problems, and I create content about AI for thousands of people every week. Nobody in my engineering college taught me how to do any of that. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact 3-step process I would follow if I had to make that switch from scratch today with zero coding background and no computer science degree. Because I get this question in my DMs literally every single day. I'm from mechanical, from civil, from commerce, from arts. Like, can they still get into AI? And the answer is absolutely yes. Yes, you can get into AI, but only if you follow the right sequence. Most people don't, and they quit in month 2. So, watch this video full. This might be the most important 15 minutes you spend this month. I'm Samadeep, mechanical engineer, ex L&T, now AI consultant and content creator. Let's get into it. Before I give you the 3 steps, I want to destroy a myth that is keeping a lot of you stuck. The myth is AI is only for people who can code. See, that was true in 2019. It is not true in 2026. Here's what I actually do as an AI consultant on daily basis. I talk to a client, say a logistics company. I understand their workflow. I identify where AI can save them 10 hours a week. I built a prototype using Claude or ChatGPT APIs. I test it, I deliver it. How much of that required a computer science degree? 0%. What is required was understanding the real world problem, which, if you are an engineer, a finance person, a doctor, a lawyer, you already do better than most computer science graduates. See, here's the shift that happened. 2 years ago, you needed to understand machine learning models to work in artificial intelligence. Today, the models are already built. ChatGPT 5, Claude Opus, Gemini, they are sitting there ready to use. Your job is to know how to talk to them, connect them to real problems, and build useful things with them. The technical floor dropped. The advantage now goes to people who understand domains, and that's you. But, and this is important, you still need a foundation. You can't skip the technical part entirely. You need just enough. And that's exactly what step 1 is about. Python basics, not mastery. And before you close this video, hear me out. I'm not saying learn data structures. I'm not saying solve lead code problems. I'm not saying master object oriented programming. Here's what you actually need. And I'm going to be very specific. You need to understand variables, data types, if else conditions, loops, functions, how to install and import libraries using pip, and how to read a basic error message. That's it. That list took me about 3 weeks to get comfortable with, practicing 1 hour a day. 3 weeks. Why Python specifically? Because 90% of AI and machine learning libraries like NumPy, Pandas, LangChain, OpenAI SDK, Anthropic SDK are all built for Python. It's not even close. Like, if you learn Python, you can plug into almost any AI tool in the market. Now, here's how I'd actually learn it. Don't buy a course, go to Free Code Camp on YouTube. They have a full Python course completely free. 4 hours long, watch it at 1.5x speed, then immediately, and this is the key, immediately go and try to write a small script. Don't wait, write something that reads a file or prints a list of your favorite movies or sends yourself an email. Anything. The moment you run your first working script, the fear disappears. That's the only goal of step 1. Remove the fear. Build the foundation, because here is the truth about coding that nobody tells you. You will never stop learning it. I still Google basic Python syntax. I still ask Claude to help me debug. The goal is never mastery. The goal is to be dangerous enough to start building. Step 2. Know your why. Most people skip this, and this one, I promise you, is the reason most people fail. Not lack of skills, not lack of time, lack of clarity. Let me paint you a picture. You start learning AI, you do the Python basics, you feel good. Then you open YouTube and you see learn machine learning, build the RAG system, master LangChain, understand transformers, Claude versus ChatGPT versus Gemini. And within 2 weeks, you are completely overwhelmed. You don't know what to learn next. You learn a little of everything, you build nothing. I've seen this happen hundreds of times. The root cause is always the same. They never answered this one question: why do I want to learn AI? Because the answer to that question completely changes your learning path. Let me show you what I mean. There are four main paths to AI for non-coders. One is to get a job. You want to become a AI engineer, ML engineer, or AI product manager at a company. For this path, you need Python, you need to understand models, and you need a portfolio of projects. Your focus is technical depth. Path 2 is to build a product. You have an idea for an AI tool or app, you want to build it and sell it. For this part, you need enough coding to build an MVP. You need to understand APIs and you need to talk to customer. Your focus is speed of building. Part 3 is freelance or consultation, like me. You want to solve AI problems for businesses and charge for it. For this path, you need to understand the client problems, build fast prototypes, and communicate clearly. Technical depth matters less than problem solving speed. Part 4 is content creation. You want to teach AI, build an audience, and monetize through courses, coaching, or brand deals. For this path, you need to understand tools well, stay current, and communicate simply. Building matters less than explaining. Pick one, just one, at least for the first 6 months. Here's the exercise I want you to do right now, and I'm serious. Pause this video and do it. Write down what does my life look in 12 months if I successfully learn AI. Be specific. Is it a job offer, a first client, a working app, 1,000 subscribers? What answer is your North Star? Every piece of content you consume, every project you build, ask yourself, does this get me closer to that specific outcome? If yes, do it. If no, skip it. Clarity is not soft advice. Clarity is the most technical decision you will make in your entire AI journey. Get it right before you write a single line of code. Step 3. And this is my favorite one. Build something, anything, right now, today. I know what you're thinking. I'm not ready. I don't know enough. Let me finish one more course first. I want to tell you something. That feeling of not being ready, it never goes away on its own. The only thing that makes it go away is shipping something. Anything. Let me tell you about my first AI project. It was a chatbot, a simple document chatbot. You upload a PDF, you ask it questions, it answers based on the document. You have probably seen 100 of these now. But when I built mine, I had never written an API call in my life. It was ugly. Like the UI was broken and half the time it gave wrong answers. I spent 2 full days debugging one error that turned out to be a missing colon on my code. But when it finally worked, when I uploaded an engineering manual and asked it questions, it answered correctly. I felt something shift. I went from maybe I can do this to I can definitely do this. This shift is everything. And here's what nobody tells you about that first project. Let me bring all three steps together into a 90-day roadmap. Simple, concrete, no fluff. Month 1, foundation. Python basics, 1 hour a day. Free code camp course plus daily practice scripts. By the end of month 1, you should be able to write a 30-line Python script without googling every single line. Also, write down your why. Pick your path, commit to it. Month 2, build first. Use Claude or ChatGPT to help you build project 1. Don't aim for perfection, aim for working. Share it even if it's just in a WhatsApp group. Sharing creates accountability and forces you to explain what you built, which deepens your understanding more than any course will. Month 3, Iterate and go public. Take your first project and make it 2 times better. Then do one of these. Post about it on LinkedIn, make a short video about it, or reach out to one of the peers who might actually use it. That one public action will do more for your career than 6 months of more coursework. 3 months. That's the window. Not a year, not someday, 90 days from today, you can have a working AI project, a clearer path, and real momentum. Only question is whether you start today or keep waiting. And if you're watching this and thinking, okay, I know my why, I know the steps, but I need someone to map this out specifically for my background and my goals, that's exactly what I do in my one on one sessions. We sit down together, figure out your specific path into AI, whether you're from mechanical, civil, finance, arts, whatever. I give you a personalized roadmap. The link to book is in the description below. If this video helped you, drop a comment below. Tell me your background, mechanical or commerce, arts. I read every single one. And share this video with one friend who's been asking you how to get into AI because they probably need to hear this more than you do. I'll see you in the next one.